Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this episode, we are going to be learning how to make Google Forms. The first thing you need to do is click on your Google Chrome like this. Then search Google Forms. Click on it like this. Click on this untitled form and write the title of your form. The title of mine is WCC Tech. Then you move to the description form and write the description of your form. Mine is Google Forms. Then you move to untitled question and write the title of your question. Mine is, did you know about Google Form? Google Forms allows you to choose the ways you want your respondents to answer your question. You click on this drop box like this and you have the first one, short answer. It allows your respondent to answer the question easy and short, and for the paragraph it allows them to explain their answer. For multi-choice, it gives the respondents options from which they will choose one. For checkboxes, it allows them to choose more than one answer. For the purpose of this question, we are going to be choosing the multi-choice. Then we are going to be listing all the options available for the question. The first one is A, yes. The second one is B, no. The third one is C, maybe. Then Google option also allow you to choose the other option for the respondents who cannot find their answers here, so they can simply answer it using the other option which I have clicked. After doing this, you can decide to add another question. You do that by clicking the plus sign here. You can add another question. Mine is, what is Google Form? You go to the drop down and choose the way you want your respondent to answer. For the purpose of this question is short answer. If you want to add section 2 to this form, or you want to add another section, you simply click the two rectangular box on the right hand side of this form down below like this. When you click on it, you get untitled section. You click on this untitled section and write the title of your section. The title of this section is Google Forms 2. After doing this, you click on this plus sign to add question to this section. For this section, I want to ask, what is technology? You click on the way you want your respondent to answer, and for the purpose of this question is paragraph. After doing this, you go up, you scroll up, click on the three dot sign up like this to preview your questions. After previewing it, you can answer them like, did you know about Google Forms? Yes. What is Google Form? For the purpose of answering, I'm just going to type in Google. Then next, to go to our section 2. What is technology? For the purpose of answering, I simply write technology. Then I submit. You go back to the question and click on this rectangular button very close to the three dot sign. You see the different ways through which you can send out this form to respondents. The first one is the email. You can type in the email of the respondents here. For example, the email is whatnot at gmail.com. Then you click on include form in mail. I have clicked on it. Then you send. If you want to send this email via link to responders, after this mail sign, you click on the next sign, which is the URL. You first shorten the URL, then you copy the link. You can also send these mail forms out through Facebook and Twitter, depending on your choice. After doing that, you click on the next sign after the rectangular sign. Here you have the options of choosing an image for your Google form or changing the theme color. For example, now I don't want to choose an image, but I want to change the theme color. I choose color orange here. After clicking on orange, I change the background color again. After changing the background color, I want to change the font style. So I click on this drop down and click on formal as the font style. Then I click on apply to change it. After doing that, I can now go to my responses here. The first one is summary. It will show you the summary of your answers, of the answers of your respondents. First is, did you know about Google Form? Yes. The question I answered earlier is yes. The second one is, what is Google? It has showed me the answer, and that of section 2, technology. After doing that, you can go to the question. Click on the question. You will see the question and the answer the responders have provided. As you are scrolling down, you can move to the next one to check for the second section, but that is not necessary. Then you move to the individual. You see the number of people that have answered this question. Here you have 1 of 1. Only one responder have answered this question. After doing that, you click on this green button that has a plus sign here to create a spreadsheet for your respondents. Creating a spreadsheet. You can see the time the question was answered. You can also see the answer to the question. After that, you move from that and you go back here. You can click here on this sign, this 3-dot sign close to the green button here. You can choose to get an email after every new response. For example, if I want to get an email after a responder has answered the question, I click on this get email notification for new response. After clicking on it, if I want to download responses, I can click on download responses. If I want to print, I'll click on print responses. Or if I want it in the PDF format, I simply click on this print all responses. I connect to a printer and print, or I save as PDF. Save as PDF. I simply save as PDF. And if after doing that, if I want to delete all my responses, you can see the option for delete responses here. Then I move back to my question. And this is the way in which you can create your Google Forms. You can help us by liking our YouTube channel. We are at CC Tech on YouTube, and you can leave a comment. You can like our channel, and you can also leave your criticism. It is welcome. Thank you.